Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Playground app. Now you need to know that this application is only available for the iPhone, and you need to be on iOS 18.2 or any newer update. Now the first thing you should do is to simply open the application, and here it will show you here this bar. You should now here describe an image. Now here in my case, I will type, for example, mountain lion sleeping in rain. Then here, as you can see, it will show me multiple options. It will show about 4 to 5 different results. And here, as you can see, I have another one. And down below right here, you will find here the section suggestions. You can simply click on show more right here in order to see more accessories that you can add to the photo. You can add some places, costumes, accessories, some backgrounds, colors, etc. You can also add special themes, these two arrows, in order to switch between themes, costumes, and all the add-ons. And now let's say that I want to give it this costume, the astronaut costume. Here, as you can see, the changes will be applied in only a few seconds. And you can also, while loading the new add-on, you can simply remove any add-on that you have added. Let's say that I want to remove this one right here and leave just the ice cap. I want to remove the astronaut costume and leave the ice cap. So I'm gonna click on this minus sign. And here, as you can see, it shows me the final result. And once you are satisfied with the photo, you should click on done right here. Then here, as you can see, it will be displayed like this. You can do more edits by click on edits right here, or you can simply share it by clicking on this button. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.